How to disable lock current orientation on Blackmagic camera. So if you're using the Blackmagic camera and then you want to disable the Blackmagic camera from rotating each time you change the orientation, whether you're using landscape mode or you're using portrait mode. So you want to disable the orientation mode that is locked to a particular orientation. Maybe it is locked to portrait or it is locked to landscape. Then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable this. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to disable lock current orientation on Blackmagic camera on your phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera app. Once open it, click on the settings button at the bottom right. Then on the settings page, you want to scroll down the page until you get to lock current orientation. So if your current orientation is locked, that is, this feature is enabled, then go ahead and then disable it. To toggle it off, once you toggle it off, this is going to disable the current orientation locked on your Blackmagic. So if the Blackmagic camera is locked to portrait or is locked to landscape, then this will be disabled and you'll be able to rotate the Blackmagic camera screen whenever you are recording with your Blackmagic camera. So that is basically how to disable lock current rotation in Blackmagic camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.